Maybe not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life.
Can't ball in a life, man.
That is that until we get strong, like, my father
We are coming here with a force. Blessings we are reaping with coursing on foot. Going to rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really support.
This is so cute, man. Hi, angels. Hi, guys. Welcome to another video, friend. Yo, we're in somewhere different, as you can see. I'm watching Lucifer season 5. Anyways, how are you guys? Y'all, I was recording and this thing was not recording. What? Anyways, I'm so irritated. Oh my god. But yeah, so I was just telling you guys how my friend invited me to come stay at this hotel because they have an event and it's basically an all expense paid type thing. So I said, oh, you, me? Yes, please. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. So that's where I am right now. I got up pretty early. There's like free breakfast. There was free breakfast. So, you know, I went down to have breakfast. Then I didn't vlog that, but I'll show you a clip because I made a clip for TikTok. Which, if you're not following me, baby, I don't know what you're doing, okay? Because TikTok gets all the juicy stuff first. You guys get it later because y'all longer plenty and all of that, okay? But yeah, so got back to the room. You know, they went for their thing, and I've just been here catching up on Lucifer season 5. There's also free Wi-Fi here, which I think is just lovely. You guys, when I tell you that I needed this staycation, I needed it because God said, baby, I know that you have been through a lot, so here you go. My lucid riding. God said, I know you have been through a lot, my love, so here you go. That's what we're doing.
Decker! No! Come on, it's 9:30. Even you can't be in bed.
She's not here.
Oh. So that's what we're doing. I'm about to finish this episode right now, and then I'll go take a shower, make some content. Cause what is a content creator if she's not documenting her life? What? Nothing. I'll tell you what, nothing. Absolutely motherfucking nothing. Shout out to my friend who invited me to have this wonderful experience. Shout out to myself for opening myself to new experiences, because child, if you know me, you know that I would find 150 million reasons as to why I couldn't be here, as to why I couldn't come. I would like, oh my gosh, I couldn't be here, like, friend. But shout out to myself for allowing myself have new experiences. So yeah, love you, my angels. Hey, my dolls. So I showered, create content. Just, this is my fit. I just have this jersey on, and then trousers. It's giving soft mom, and I have this stuff on. But yeah, but I thought I would do a tour of the apartment. Sorry if you're hearing the road, just because I have the window open. It's really cold in here, and I want the air to get a bit warm. But yeah, but let me show you guys the room, what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. There's a door, of course. Then there's a lot of wardrobe space. I think it's pretty decent, you know? And then this is what the door looks like, which I thought was interesting. Open up, and this is full mirror. Using me. Hello, guys. The towel, the hand dryer, which actually works. I tried it this morning just because I thought that was really interesting. Yeah, a sink, you know, and then the shower is pretty standard, you know, just her type of shower like that. It's pretty basic, really. I never know why there's a phone in the bathroom, but okay. Then there's the TV. Don't mind the mess, but there's a space. And there's this table. This is from Dina. I don't know why they would not come and clean this place, but yeah, this has been here. And it's me again. There's this chair here. Then there's the bed. I think it's a really nice size bed. And you guys, this bed is so soft. Like, what? Like, it's so bouncy. Yeah, so I thought that was very interesting. But yeah, this is the bed. I've just been watching Lucifer. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire room. And there's just as far as there's nothing serious. It's giving dressed for my son's football game.
That was in 2008. Let me have one stay. And for the record, I'll know her before everybody.
It's done jazzy, done jazzy. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the chop at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so plain bear more. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I saw they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer. Question, but then no get the answer.
Hey guys. So I'm in this common area now. Housekeeping came into the room to clean. Finally. Rah, because I was feeling a bit. Yeah, clean the room. But yeah, so I just came here to work for a bit, and then my friend just came back. So yeah. But hey guys, so we're back in the room now, and you're done cleaning. Look at the bed. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, this is the view from my window. I don't think I showed you guys before, but this is the view from my room. So yeah, so everywhere looks clean. It's water and everything is so cute now. Yeah, I'm about to order something to eat. I want it to be open a bit so the video will be good. I'm about to order something to eat, so I'm just going to scan this menu and get something to eat. That's what we're doing right now. Sakamomadia. I'll let you guys know what I eventually get. I don't think I mentioned, but I had rice, jollof rice and chicken with coleslaw yesterday for dinner. And honestly, I'm one of those people that would eat the same thing 5,000 times. I'll see what they have on their menu. Good morning, my neighbors. No. But how are you guys doing, my angels? I miss you guys so much. Anywho, last night, so I think last night I vlogged was me trying to order dinner. So I decided not to eat that early because I think that time was like around 4. And I decided that it would be too late a lunch, too early a dinner. So you know how you eat very, very early and then you'd be hungry like around 11 because I was up late. So I decided to move that and just get dinner by like 8. So my friend and I ended up going out. We went out to get dinner. You guys, I wanted to vlog. I intended to vlog, but I don't know what it was. I think my mood, yeah. So my mood just kind of dipped. I don't know. So I just didn't vlog. And then we had dinner, we got back. It was while we were back, I was like, freak, you were supposed to vlog. So I'm really sorry about that. So yeah, that was what we did. Then we got like snacks, like plantain chips, me snack on. So yeah, that was last night. Got back home, did a bit of work, and then I slept. So this morning, I'm headed out for breakfast now. I don't know that I mentioned this yesterday, but there's complimentary breakfast. So it's from 6 to 9. It times to 8 right now. And the time's to 8 right now. So I just brushed my teeth. I'll get ready and head downstairs. I didn't take you guys for breakfast yesterday, so I'll do that this morning. Today is my last day here, so I'm going to be leaving in the afternoon. So I want to make most of the morning, or most of my time here, basically. So let's go for breakfast. But I hope you guys are doing well though, because I'm Gucci, as you can see. If you know what you guys are sitting on right now, you would die of laugh. I just want to put some lip gloss on. You guys, I'm literally praying that you don't fall. But yeah. I'm putting this lip gloss by Victoria's Secret. Dang it, girl. Get out. Thank you. So I just put some jewelry on. Put a bit of moisturizer just because my face is looking dry. You guys, Hamatan is coming. Christmas is here, friend. Yo, I'm excited. But yeah, let's go for breakfast. Do you see what I'm saying? Let's go for breakfast, guys. That was a lot.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did my fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me, I'll be a dog. I look confident, I look confident myself, though. I'm a mind that's a dog. My life, you be my job, and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, and I don't let them go. I keep my life,
Hey my dolls, how are you guys doing? So breakfast is cool. Breakfast is actually really nice. As you saw, there was this guy who came to sit across the table from me, and first of all, it was like he stood. Okay, so you know where I was sitting, right? So he stood across the table, but not sitting down. So he was like at one corner of the wall. So at first he was there for a minute. I caught him staring at me, and then he left. Then he came back with his food. It was funny. What's on his plate is what's on my plate. I mean, it could just be a healthy coincidence, but rah, I thought it was interesting. Anyways, at one point, I looked up, I saw he was 10%. I was like, whatever. But yeah, that was funny. But anyways, I'm back to the room now. I just want to chill for a bit. Then I'll shower. I'll shower. And I want to explore the hotel. So it's like I want to go see the gym. I want to go see the pool, you know, like stuff. I just want to walk around and give you guys sights and sounds, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for... I mean, I want to be here for like next 20 minutes and I'll go shower and get ready. And then we'll do that. Love and light, my loves. You guys, I don't know if you can hear me. My nails are popping off. What the fuck? Anyways, we're about to check out. So you know how I said I was going to go out and explore and what? I didn't do it. But we're about to check out now. Then I still probably do it honestly. I'm not sure. I don't know yet. But I'm just getting ready. Right now, you guys. It's not cute. It's not cute.
The way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime.